Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have a package from Born Pretty, so they've kindly sent me some PR. I have 5 products that they sent in this package. I'd like to say a big thank you to Born Pretty for sending me these products to try out, and I can't wait to share them with you guys. Here's the first bottle. We have a white cat's eye gel. It looks more silver on camera, but if you apply one coat then it appears whiter, and the more coats that you apply, the deeper the sheen. So we've got our pop sticks and we've also got a magnet. So we're going to go in with the first coat, making sure that it is nice and even. And then we're going to use the magnet to move the particles around to where we desire. That's going to go in the lamp for a 60-second cure, and we're going to head on to the second bottle of gel. This is a red jelly polish. Again, we're going to use the pop stick, and then we're going to apply a nice even thin coat. And then we're going to pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. The third bottle is a peachy colour, so this is a nude jelly. All of the links will be in the description, and don't forget to add kizzy10 at checkout for 10% off. Here we have the fourth bottle. This colour is of a dark blue or sort of a midnight blue. Appears quite inky, but again, sort of it's a jelly, so the thinner that you do your coats, the more sort of transparent it will be, and the more coats that you apply, the deeper the colour. And here we have the fifth and the final product, and this is a green. Again, just like the blue, the thinner that you apply the product, the lighter the colour. So all of those have been in the lamp for a 60-second cure, and I've applied a top coat off camera, so they're looking super shiny. So here are the 5 colours. And now we're going to use some of these products to make a cute little Valentine's theme nail art. So I've got these cute little hearts that I had from my Shein haul. We're going to use the red jelly that we got today. We might use the cat's eye. I pulled that out just in case. And then we have the midnight blue. So that's going to be our base. So we're going to start with one even coat of our jelly polish. That's going to go in the lamp for 60 seconds. Then we are going to start to apply different shaped hearts, or different sized hearts to the nail. So we're going to be layering this. So we'll start with this layer, we'll pop that in the lamp to cure. And then we will pop the next layer on with colour, very thinly. Placing the hearts where you're happy with them, and then pop that in for a 60-second cure. Finally, we're going to use the red jelly polish, and we're going to apply a thin, even coat over the top. Pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Then we're going to top coat. And here you have this cute little design. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that like button and leave a comment below with any ideas that you would like to see me try out in the future. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!